Hey and welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to learn how we can use SASS and then extend our code. So we can basically include our code in different attributes. So what that means is we will have, it's basically like a function. So we'll have, like, you can say a function and then you include it in another attribute. So we can, for example, have the button one here. And then inside here, we are gonna duplicate that code inside a class called btn primary. So by using the add and then extend and then say btn, we will basically duplicate all of the btn code and put it inside the btn primary class. And by doing this, you'll save a lot of time writing code if we have some code that we know we're going to write more than one time. Instead of using a lot of time writing the same code, we can just do this way instead. And if we look at the CSS code, you can see that it will basically try to save as many lines when you transpile it from SCSS to a CSS file. So now let's go ahead and create a btn danger class. And inside the btn danger class, we are just going to give it a different color to see how it looks like when it gets rendered in the browser. So we're going to give it a color of red just to see how it looks like. And as you can see here, it will be red. So that's again very practical. We don't use any extra lines of code because of this. It will basically just be transpiled into the color red, so we will save as many lines as possible.